the mid-market conversation around, you're talking about a lot more immaturity in terms of, I don't know, tech stack and sort of current processes. And I think that that is such a big advantage for these mid-market
Huge.
companies because now there's less sort of hurdles for adoption because, oh, well, where's my dashboard that I looked at every day? And this doesn't look like that. And usually I get this chart from Bob whenever he sends it. And where's that? No, no, no. All of a sudden, we're just automating the thing that they didn't have before, or that was in an Excel spreadsheet that nobody really even knew how to do. So only 5% of the people opened it up. But now we're getting to the actual insights that they're looking for. And now we're really breaking down those adoption barriers. So I think, and then the next thing is, all right, you do this phased approach, like Shanti mentioned. You can say, okay, mid-cap clients, let's phase this out. Let's start here on maybe something that's going to be highly valuable that we could do very quickly. And there's 5 phases to implementing this larger use case. Each one of those phases, if done right, could have massive benefit to your company to where
Mhm.
the whole project's paying for itself times 20, right? And
Sure.
this is really where I see these mid-cap companies having a massive advantage right
Huge
now in this
opportunity.
huge
Yeah.
opportunity. And you said the word leapfrog, and I absolutely believe that's true because they're going to be able to service clients better than their competitors in this
They're
case.
they're already moving faster and adopting AI technology much faster than their tier one competitors because they just don't have the legacy things standing in their way, and they know they need something to give them that advantage. So they're actually looking for what's next, what could we be doing? A lot of the larger companies are very complacent in here's where we are, here's how we've always done it, which is a terrible reason to keep doing things a certain way. And they've built up all of these gatekeepers around not doing things that they stop to forget about how they got there and then what's possible.
I
A
don't
hundred
want
percent.
my job to ever be gatekeeper on how to not do things.
You don't want to work in IT.
Yeah, the famous foe here, if you want to talk to Pete Riley about it, it's the AI prevention department. These
Yeah.
massive
Yeah.
companies all have one, and we all run into them. We go, you got a group that's excited. You might even have a senior stakeholders like, we're absolutely going to do this. We run into that AI prevention department. It's donezo. You got all these politics, and you got, oh well, we can build this. We can build this. We've got the team to do it, and that is going to allow these mid market companies to catch up and leapfrog.